All right, we're going to talk about another stock today, and it's another gaming one. It's EA ticker symbol or Electronic Art Incorporated. Now, before I go into this, I'm not a stock expert, I'm an investor, and this is not financial advice. This is not business consultant advice. This is just some guy on YouTube trying to figure out which companies he wants to buy for investment. So, this is for entertainment purposes, and if you lose money, gain money, don't be blaming me. You can comment down below that you lost money if you want. You can comment down below if you earn money, but I'm not responsible for your money. Only you are responsible for your own money. So let's get into it. So this is Electronic Art Incorporated, and they're EA. So it's like EA Sports, and they have a strong buy right now for it. And out of 12 plus 12 plus 4, if you can do your math, it is 28. So 28 experts say hold or buy. So 12 says hold, and then 16 says buy EA Sports. Here is the news article about it. The company financial health reveals navigation period challenge opportunity. And it shows that the sales performance has reached a $1.6 billion marking a 14% decline. So it had a 14% decline, it looks like, in Q4. And profitability metric for the net loss is 12 million, and net income is 182 million. So player base, yeah, I'm not gonna read that no more. Look at the charts. So that's what those people say. But before I look into the charts, who owns this? Who invests in here? So BlackRock invested in it, but they're losing money. Vanguard's invested in it. Looks like they lost money. State Street, let's see how State Street does. So that company looks like it follows the S&P. See what BlackRock does. BlackRock is double the, so, but BlackRock, you see, BlackRock owns almost 10%. Same thing as Vanguard. But they're kind of stuck in the negative. Because they bought it for $158 or negative $158. And Vanguard bought it for negative 27.9. So share change prices, man, estimate portfolio. Okay. And remember when I said you can't trust all investment companies? Here's another reason why. Negative 13% return compared to the S&P of 5%. So yeah, that's why you don't follow every investor. Because I clicked on 3 of them. Besides BlackRock, most of them seems to be in a negative. The performance, the last 6 months, it's in a negative too. That's not good. Just based off what I'm seeing right now. Let's see. Okay. Probability is, look at the calls and put. So This is January. So put options. Looks like it has been cool. So if y'all don't know how to read this, let's look at the call right here. So these are asking prices. Put out is they're asking for 41, bids 38. Asking price is 41. Strike price is 165, 160. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna be doing so well. Because here's the date. Last sale. So the date goes up. Last sale 135, 135, 140. Okay. So yeah, the calls and put on this thing, I don't even know if this is worth putting on a watch list. It kind of does because it's going up for Max. It's up 27%. Does it have dividend? Let's see. Because it's predicting it should be target price is 150 in 12 months. So let's put this on a watch list. It's about $20 more per share. Earnings, free cash flow is going down. That's not good. So operation expenses going up, but the growth earning isn't matching. So I'm looking at this chart. So revenue is going up. It looks like it's kind of working out, but it doesn't look like it's going to be doing too well. Cost per share. The dividend for this company is 0.57 a share or 57 cents a share, which that's interesting. What percentage is that? Let's see. I'm looking at options, see how many openings there are. So they have it strike at 150. Ooh, there's 711 open interests at 140. All right. So they do say this is a bearish stock. This is according to Microsoft. Remember, everyone needs to go into their own and figure it out like I'm doing, because at the end of the day, it's your money. So it pays, last December, they paid 57 cents a share. That is 0.01%. Okay. And the average software company does 18.86. So this one is not very good on dividend payout. So this definitely would not go into my dividend portfolio just because they don't even have a 3-year average for a dividend. And then operation margin, it's not that good. Yeah. So this company, EA Sports, unless they come out with new games and all that stuff, because I think they only come out with Madden type of games, doesn't look like it has a lot of growth left. Let me make sure they're not mining or anything. No. They're not mining. Let's see if insider trading. April 3rd. Man. This person's selling a lot of their stocks. Who is this person? Well, that person makes $1.2 million a year working at EA Sports and selling her shares like crazy. This is kind of concerning that people are inside the company is selling. I mean, 800 shares and 2K shares on. So pretty much they sold 3K worth of shares. $3,000 shares at so roughly $375,000, roughly, maybe $400,000. Yeah. So if you look at these numbers, on April 30th, they sold right here. I'm just going off of April 30th. 20K, 19K, 20K, 20K. So 200, 300, 400. They almost like 410, 420. There's NA. I'm not sure what that transaction means, but it doesn't look like it's a purchase. I think it's a sell. I can look it up later, but wow. Every month, someone inside the company is selling. Especially this one lady that's making 1 point something million a year. She sells 800 shares every quarter, it looks like. So either she might not believe in the company, and it really looks like she sells every quarter. So if you have someone that's making 1.2 million, 1.5 million selling their shares, I don't know if I want to buy that stock because that's an insider trading. And who is she? Let me see. She is Chief People Officer, and she's selling that much. Well, that kind of tells me that she doesn't believe in the company, and it's kind of worrying if you're trying to invest in a company and they're selling their shares from inside. But the prediction does say it's supposed to be 150 in 2025. So in 1 year you can go up $20. So the 5 years is 32% and max. So it looks like in 5 years it goes up 32.43%. If it goes up $20, yeah, I don't. That growth is, I think, might be less than the S&P. At that point, it's only for 5 years, 34%. It's not that big of an increase. It's you kind of want to look for like 10% a year or 8% a year if you're trying to be reasonable. So yeah, it does not look like it. And then, yep, it's follow the same pattern for all. BlackRock owns it, but their share change is negative. Yeah, it's not worth it. I'm gonna save it to keep an eye on it. If it goes down, I might buy it. But at 126, it misses earning, and the volatility is low. But the insider is what's bothering me. This insider right here, yeah, they should have a talk to some of these people because 500, 600, $700,000 has been sold in like in that short time frame. 700,000. So insider trading scares me off right there. So hey, comment down below what you think. But if someone's doing insider trading and that's $700,000 that they sold in like a month, maybe they don't have plans for the company. Maybe it's a dead company, because that's a lot of money to be selling in a month. So that will drop the price. And yeah, that's something you need to watch out for. Whenever y'all look for a company to invest into, you have to look at the insider trading. And on this one, it's not that good. So, hey, man, like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll do another video later if y'all like it. Later.